everyone, I'm Charuta, founder of Urja Wellness and Joy. I'm presenting quick angel card reading for you all. If you're watching this video today, this reading is applicable to your current life situations. This reading is timeless, so anytime in the future you can come back to this video and do the reading. Alright, so I'll give you a few seconds. Close your eyes, breathe in, slowly breathe out. Now choose your card. Card number 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 options. You might want to choose more than one card. Alright. Now let's check messages. All those who selected card number 1, let's check messages for you all. You got this message, what do you desire? Alright. Guys, angels are asking you, what do you desire? You tell us, we are here to deliver. Amazing. You understand how powerful this question is? Angels are in fact blessing you with an opportunity to write script of your own life. Guys, you get to choose, you get to decide, you get to create your future. Alright, so instead of saying I don't know what to do, how about praying for clarity? So you can simply pray, universe, please give me clarity about this situation, please give me clarity about this topic. Alright, please stop saying I'm feeling confused, stop saying I'm stuck. It will not help you. Also, it is important for you all to spend some time alone, meditate and ask yourself, your inner self, ask your heart, what would you like to experience in life? Okay, when I feel confused, I ask myself, I call out my name, Charuta, what would you like to experience? What exactly do you want? And I keep asking this question to myself until I get answers. Alright, so guys, this is a very powerful phase. This is a very powerful phase in your life, so make the most of it and get your ask clear. All those who selected card number 2, messages, accept heaven's help. Alright, so guys, you have been praying intensely, you have been praying almost daily, and angels are saying that they have heard your prayers. In fact, they have also started offering health solutions, but the problem is that you are not able to receive it. Why? Because you have many control issues. You are holding on to your ideas about how you want situations to get resolved, how you want to achieve your dreams, how you want to overcome your challenges. You're holding on to how aspect. Alright, for example, if you want money only through X source, but how about angels are opening up a Y source in your life? Alright, but since you're holding very tightly that I should receive money only through X source, you're not able to see the new source which is being opened up for you. Alright guys, so messages, you must stay open. Alright, stay relaxed. Okay, you have prayed, now you have done your part. Alright, in order to receive help, in order to get answers, you must stay in the zone of allowance and surrender. Alright, if you are still finding it difficult, you can convert into a prayer, angels please help me to stay in the zone of allowance and surrender. That's it. Alright guys, all those who selected card number 3, let's check messages. Spiritual teacher. Wow, I just love this card guys. This is a very good time to learn about spirituality because it will help you a lot in your life. This is a very good time to learn something new. Also very good time to update your knowledge, upgrade your skills. So whatever field that you are in, do consider enrolling for workshops or courses because it will help you tremendously. Then you guys are teachers, core of your being. Alright, so if you're feeling if you feel like getting into teaching, training, counseling, coaching, healing, this is the best time. So how about you launching your own workshops, you creating, drafting your own courses? And because guys, a certain section of a society is waiting for your contribution, so don't take your desires lightly, because you are meant to do this. You guys are meant to contribute in the lives of people around you meaningfully. So do not take your desires about teaching or counseling lightly. Do take some actions towards it. Alright, guys? All those are selected card number 4. Let's check messages. It is safe for you to be powerful, guys. What are you afraid of? When you follow your heart, everything works out beautifully. Don't worry what people will think. Don't worry about you upsetting people. Alright, you can be powerful. At the same time, you can be gentle, kind, compassionate. So do not associate power with aggression. Do not associate power with conflict. Alright, you must learn to express your true feelings. Alright, and that's how you stand in your own power. Alright, so follow your heart. And regarding your financial situations, angels are telling you that when you follow your heart, abundance come into your way. Alright, so money follows joy. You must remember this. Money follows joy. So in your everyday life, stay more joyful. Alright, and follow your heart, and as a result, money will come abundantly in your life. But you must learn to listen to your heart. You must understand what your heart truly want, and don't suppress your heart. Don't suppress your desires. All right, it's your right to ask for what you want. You must understand it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Do subscribe to my channel. Do share this video with your friends and family members. I would be uploading many more interesting videos on my YouTube channel. So stay tuned. Thank you.